everyone, welcome back. I'm Dr. Gomati, and in this video, I'm going to discuss about an excellent AI tool which is called Jenny. This is really equivalent to ChatGPT and more than ChatGPT. So this is specifically for those who are writing their research paper or the project thesis proposals. If you wanted to write a documentation, so this will definitely help you. And you can see here that this is specifically designed for writing the research paper as well. So here you can see that this is Jenny.ai. So if you wanted to supercharge your next research paper, you can start writing along with Jenny. So what Jenny will do, it will, whenever you feel stuck, okay, so it will help you to write the research paper in an excellent way. So what are the other exciting features in this tool is what plagiarism checker. So you have a plagiarism checker here, and if you scroll down you can see you can write, cite and edit. So while writing itself you can just add the citation. So AI will auto complete your sentence. It has a customized style, so it is in text citations are also allowed, and paraphrase and rewrite is also there for you. So let's get started. I'm just going to click start writing for free. So let us see what it is going to do. I'm going to sign up with Google. So once if you click sign up with Google, it will show you a pop-up window where you have to select from which Google account you wanted to sign up. Okay, so it will show up the login credentials like login mail ID. So you can select the mail ID from here, and then you can yes, now I think it's started. So welcome to Jenny. So here you can write, if you are a student, if you wanted to write an essay, assignment or an academic papers, then you can go ahead with this. If you're a content writer or a blog article, if you wanted to write or marketing copy, so you can do it. Or else if you're just looking for something, then you can go ahead. So I'm just going ahead with this content writer, and you can see here you have PhD and beyond, masters or MBA, undergraduate degree. So this is for if you want to write your project in an effective way. If you are an undergraduate student, then you can go ahead with this. If you are a master's or MBA, that is a postgraduate student, if you want to do some project, if you want to write the documentation for the project, you can go ahead like this. Or else if you wanted to go ahead with a PhD and beyond, then you can click here. Or else even if you can skip for now. So I'm just clicking PhD and beyond. So it is asking you what are you writing today. So I'm just going to tell this something about data mining, predicting autism with data mining and machine learning techniques. So I'm just giving whatever that is there in my mind. So what is the topic which I'm looking for? I'm just clicking here start writing. So what is happening now, it is opening something here. So see, it's directly started writing something for you. Autism spectrum disorder is a neurodevelopmental disorder that affects the communication. If you wanted to accept this, you can just simply click accept. Okay, you can see here it also it started writing the other sentences as well, given the potential challenges. Yes, you can go ahead, and if you just wait for some more minutes, it is also writing something. You can just, if you wanted to accept it, you can accept. Or else, okay, you can simply just start your own sentence. Okay, if you click accept, okay, this is where data mining machine learning techniques come into identification. By using data mining and ML, researchers have the potential. So see here, it is excellently drafting something to you. Okay, so let me just go ahead with this. And if you wanted to stop writing, like if you wanted to write your own, so it is showing like you have to press enter. You can press enter here and wait for it to complete it. So accept. Okay, so you can accept it, and if you wanted to go ahead with this is an abstract, okay, you can make it as this is an abstract. Okay, and you can wait for some more minutes so that it can write something for you. Okay, this is an abstract. Then press enter and introduction to data mining. If you want to give the brief introduction to the data mining, you can just type here. So now it started writing for you. That is, data mining is a process of discovering patterns in large, so everything it is telling you on its own. Okay, so you can see here, just wait. Okay, I'm just waiting, I'm not typing anything, it is showing you exactly what you are going to write. Okay, so you can see if you wanted to accept, you can accept it, or else if you wanted to stop here, you can stop it here. So it's excellent, right? It's brilliant for you to work. And here you can see it's totally, it has written 202 words. Now it is, I think, it's 225 words. And if you can also see here the citation. So once if you click the citation, you can see like what is the citation, you can add it for this particular sentence. Okay, so it is searching for various article, and it will show you like what is the citation you can add for this particular. So data mining and machine learning techniques, of course it has given the citation from elsewhere. Okay, it's a well renowned journal, so you can just add, click to add the citation. So you can see here the citation is added, along with it has added the references as well. You can see here by default it is adding the reference. Okay, for example, if I wanted to add citation for this, okay, you can just click here, just give a space and click cite. So you can see here what are the citation, what are the possible citations which are relevant to that particular sentence. It is showing the possible citation. Let us wait for some minutes so that it will give you what is the citation you can add for this. Once it shows the citation, you can just select it. Okay, so deep learning based, so just add the citation. Once the citation is added, you can see the references also added here under this particular references. Excellent, right? So this will definitely going to help you more and more. So here you have add heading, so you can add the heading. You can tell the heading, see, applications of data mining. So it by default it's showing you the heading. If you just accept it, the heading will also available here. And you can also add the heading, like how many headings you want, you can first add it. Okay, accept. I'm just giving whatever the heading it's giving you, you can accept it. Okay, so for example, I don't want this heading. Okay, I wanted to write the heading like decision tree algorithm to predict autism. Okay, so this is my heading. So once I press enter, if you wait, okay, it is showing you, okay, predict autism spectrum disorder. So it is asking me to complete disorder. Okay, and once if you just wait, it start writing for this one common approach for predicting spectrum. Excellent, excellent, right? It is giving you a lot of thing. The only thing is like you have to like design any, if you wanted to add a image. Okay, you can even see here you have an adding an image. So it is giving you an image for this, like based on your autism prediction with data mining and ml. So it is giving you, it will give you some image, but if it is not really working out for you, you can copy and paste it. Like you can create your own image and add it. Okay, and finally you can easily use this for your submission process. But anyhow, it will not give you any it will not give you, though it is it's like an ai. Okay, so it will not give you any we cannot assure that it will not give you any plagiarism. So anyhow you have to check for that. You can see that here it has its own ask Jenny as well. So if you wanted to suggest for improvements, you can click analyze the document. You can tell to analyze the document. It will analyze the document. And you can see here that if you wanted to upload some PDF, you can upload the PDF. Okay, by default it has its own features in order to. So here you have an AI command which is already working. So here you can see what are the headings, how many headings you have used, and how many words you have. So this will definitely going to work out, and this is not basically free. Okay, you can go ahead with unlimited AI generation. Okay, so if you wanted to try for monthly, so it will give you 20 dollar per month. Okay, and if it is $144 per year, think about, instead of hiring someone to write your article. Okay, nowadays that is what happening, because all are busy with your schedules, and so you wanted to just go ahead with someone who can write the article for you. You are paying them. I think for writing one article, it will really they will really charge nearly 25,000 to 40,000 based on the journals which you are going to submit it. So if you are going with this particular AI, it will definitely change your way of writing the research paper. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other queries, if you wanted to know about any other tool to which may help you in your research, please leave your message. I'll be definitely helping you out. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends who are will be very benefited out of it, and subscribe the channel if to get more updates about this such tools. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.